Eddie, give us a smile, mate.
Just doing up my shoelace.
Nice.
A wilderness. In contrast with those areas where man and his own works dominate the landscape, is hereby recognised as an area where the earth and its community of life are untrampled by man, where man himself is a visitor who does not remain, an area of undeveloped land retaining its primeval character and influence, without permanent improvements or human habitation, which is protected and managed so as to preserve its natural conditions, and which generally appears to have been affected primarily by the forces of nature, with the imprint of man's work substantially unnoticeable, and has outstanding opportunities for solitude or a primitive and unconfined type of recreation. It was here, in the Jagungal Wilderness Area, that we lost our minds.
We're just making our own story out here, and so far it's been pretty special.